All right, welcome back. We are still looking at antonyms. All right, that's nearly opposite in meaning to some words. Okay, and the one we have first on the board here is disgusting. When something is disgusting here, it is not appealing. All right, it's not appealing at all to sight or whatever it is. But one does not find it, appealing at all. Then the opposite of disgusting becomes appealing. All right. Okay, so that's that. Then we talk about seldom. The word seldom here means rarely. All right, I seldom eat mango. That means I rarely eat mango. So the opposite of seldom is now what? Often. Okay, the opposite of seldom is what? Often. Okay, that's that. Then articulate. When you are articulate, that means you are outspoken. All right, that means you speak well. All right, then the opposite of articulate means to be incoherent. All right, if you are not articulate, that means you are incoherent. All right, then exciting. If it is an exciting movie, then it's a movie that you find enthusiastic or you find interesting. So the opposite of exciting is what? Is boring. All right. Okay, so that's that. Then you talk about invaluable. Don't forget the word invaluable and valuable, they mean the same thing. They mean priceless. Okay, both valuable and invaluable means priceless. All right, then the opposite of invaluable is what? Worthless. Okay, means worthless. Invaluable here has a higher meaning than valuable. So invaluable, all right, and valuable, they mean the same thing, of something that has value, but invaluable means a greater value. All right, then the opposite is now worthless. So pride, all right, so it means vainglorious. All right, when you show much uppity. All right, so the opposite of pride means humility. Is humility. All right, humility. If something is inappropriate, it is not suitable. All right, so the opposite of inappropriate is what, everybody? Suitable. All right, the opposite of inappropriate is what? Suitable. If something is inappropriate, then the opposite should be what? Suitable. All right, then what about confidential? If something is confidential, it is not expected to be what? Public. Therefore means the opposite of confidential is what? Public. All right, public. All right, yes, when you confuse someone, you do not allow the person to comprehend or understand what you are saying. So if you do not confuse someone, what will then be the opposite? You clarify. All right, you clarify the person. Okay, so that's that. Right, to clarify. Okay, you throw more light on it. Indolence means laziness. All right, you are lazy. Then if you are not indolent, the opposite of indolence is hardworking. All right, industrious, or industry rather, because indolence is a noun. All right, so we should have hard work as another word, noun. All right, yes, so indolence, you have hard work. Then we can have industry, because the word industry itself means hard work, but industrious means hard working. All right, so that's that. So admiration, when you admire someone, that means there is every tendency that you praise the person, you pour the person a lot of encomiums. All right, then if you don't admire someone, what will now happen? If you don't admire someone, then you criticize. All right, you subject the person to criticism. All right, if you don't criticize, you condemn. All right, you rebuke or you reprimand, or you chastise. All right, so that's that. In our next class, we shall look at a stronger topic.